To start or stop payment and NFC/SA Manager service in Windows 10 Home, right-click on Start menu icon and then click or tap Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu, select Services, and then scroll down Services screen, find Payment and NFC/SA Manager, and then tap right-click on Payments and NFC/SA Manager, and then to start select Start or to stop select Stop. Manage payments and near-field communications NFC is basic secure elements. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.